Mirabel, Lucia, your breakfast and your lunch is still on the dining, untouched. Please come and eat something. Please, I beg you, come and eat. Have you heard of ulcer? Ulcer.
Mirabel, I think Dad is here. I believe you're just imagining that nonsense. Dad traveled to be back on Monday according to what he told me.
Okay, welcome, sir.
Daddy!
Easy, my angel. Sorry.
Daddy, we are not fine.
What happened?
Sir, I think they are on another protest.
Protest?
They have refused to brush. They have refused to bathe. I served their breakfast and lunch. They have refused to touch it. I have pleaded and pleaded with them to eat, at least to avoid ulcer, but all to no avail.
Lucia. Mirabel, what's the problem? What's with this incessant protest these days? What's going on?
Mom locked herself up in the room and has been crying since yesterday.
What? Mom crying?
Yes, it was Uncle Clifford that came this afternoon and she opened the door and we heard them quarreling in your room.
Clifford, Uncle Cliff, hold on. Give them something to eat right now.
Okay, sir.
At least let's brush.
Okay, you guys should go and brush now. When you finish brushing, you come and eat your food. At least I've saved your food.
What you tell Dad?
What won't I tell you? Do you want to kill yourselves? Please be fast! Let me even follow you so that you'll be fast.
Lola?
Maybe you didn't travel again. You did not travel.
Why did Cliff come inside our bedroom?
Baby, it was unwittingly.
What happened? I heard you guys quarreled.
I lost a close friend. Really, really close, and she's based in US.
Oh. So sorry about that.
It's fine. The husband even said that she had brain cancer. And we used to be very close way back from camp. He's in the university.
That's really sad. Sorry about that.
It's fine. It's okay.
So, have you had something to eat?
No.
Okay. Just stay put. Let me quickly fix you something. I'll be fast. Okay?
Baby, I'm fine. I don't want to eat. I'm really not in a good frame of mind.
No, you have to eat something. Alright? I'll quickly get you something, okay?
Okay.
Come. I have something I want to tell you. It's been eating me up for some time now.
Okay.
I have a confession to make. My secretary, Diane.
Okay. Your secretary. What about Diane?
Diane is pregnant.
Your secretary is pregnant. Diane is pregnant.
Yes, she's pregnant and I'm responsible for it. Right now she's asking me to pay her 30 million to relocate. So at the moment I really don't have that kind of money. Even if I have it, I mean, we have things to do. So I mean, it fixed because she's threatening that she's going to come tell you, and yeah.
Listen to me. That pregnancy. In fact, Diane is not pregnant.
No, she's pregnant. The truth is that we've been dating for some time now. A lot has been going on between us.
Like, did you not hear what I just said? I said that she's not pregnant.
She's pregnant and the boy is mine.
The boy is not yours. The baby is not yours. I don't understand it. Diane just... Listen, I really don't know what's going on in your mind. But I'm telling you that Diane is just a scam. She's trying to scam you. She's not pregnant.
But hold up a second. I'm trying to get something straight. Is it that you're not bothered I cheated? She's pregnant?
Sorry, please. Hold on a minute. Why do I need to be worried? I mean, like, 80% of men cheat. So you want me to kill myself? You want me to, like, I don't understand what you want me to do. Because you cheated, so I should go and die. Easy.
Let's go for lunch. I'm done.
Did your wife tell you I paid a visit the other day, but I didn't meet you at home?
Yeah, she did.
Did she inform you about the reason for my visit?
Not really. She didn't go into details. So, why?
Alfred, you have something that belongs to me in your home.
Something that belongs to you? I have no idea. What's that?
When you get home, ask your wife. I think she knows best.
I don't understand. What are friends for? If there's a problem, you tell me now. Do I have something that I don't know?
Alfred, I insist you will ask your wife. She's in a better position. But if she refuses to tell you, then I will have no choice than to come over and reclaim what is rightfully mine.
To be honest, you're speaking in parables. I don't understand. What are friends for? If there's a problem, you tell me now. Do I have something that I don't know?
Alfred, I insist you will ask your wife. She's in a better position. But if she refuses to tell you, then I will have no choice than to come and reclaim what is rightfully mine.
I told you your children belong to another man, yet you doubted me.
So you're telling me that my wife might be cheating on me with Cliff?
Find out yourself.
So why do you think my wife would be cheating?
Alfred, you cannot be in the water and the soap ladder will enter your eyes. Alright? How about the 30 million I requested for?
I want to ask a question here. If at all you're pregnant for me, why do you think I will let you go with my child?
If at all?
Yeah.
Can you listen to yourself? That means you've doubted the fact that I'm pregnant for you. Wow. Wow.
I'm just saying, if you really have my child, why should I pay 30 million to pay you off?
I need the 30 million naira to go out of the country, start fresh. I need a new life. That's why. What am I still doing here?
Alfred, have you spoken to your wife? What kind of allegation is this? Yes?
Your resignation letter.
Your resignation letter?
Yes.
Lola, why are you trying everything possible to complicate matters more than they are? You resign is not a solution to the problem, but handing over my children to me.
No, you are not going to take my kids away from me because they belong to Alfred, if you don't know. Do you understand?
Alfred is important, you know it. You and I know that Alfred is important. The kids are mine. Lola, when you get home, inform your husband that I am coming to take what is rightfully mine.
You're speaking utter nonsense. You are not going to take my kids away from me. Simple!
So you're in court.
What?
Told you.
What did I just hear? Wait. Someone has to wake me up. Someone has to wake me up. God, I'm dying. Wait. Lola is actually cheating on me with Cliff. That bastard thought he hung up.
The same Lola that you trashed every beautiful moment we shared for. Wow.
Oh my God, I'm finished.
Wonders shall never end.
Oh my God, I can't breathe. Wait.
Hey.
Calm
down.
I can't find a child.
You need to calm down.
Did you hear that?
Hey, just pull yourself together, alright? You need to calm. What's wrong with you?
Oh God.
Listen.
Did you hear me say?
Listen.
Did you hear what I said? I can't find another man's child.
Calm down, okay?
Oh.
It's okay, you need to relax. Just calm down. Alfred, please. Stop this, alright? Hey. Listen, you need water?
Madam, welcome.
Get out of my way, please.
Madam, are you okay? Is something wrong with you?
What are you asking me? Go and ask your father, please. Just get out. Leave me alone. Leave me the hell alone and go and ask your father.
Why are you insulting my father? Or am I the cause of your frustration?
Excuse you? Did you just talk to me right now? Did you just reply? Did you just talk to me?
Why will you be insulting my father?
It's something.
What do you want to do? Hit me? Try it and see. If I will not beat the living daylight out of you. And still tell your husband what you have been doing behind his back with Cliff. Oh, you think I don't know that Cliff is the father of your 2 children? Hey. Don't worry, I'll be here until Fred comes. I will tell him everything.
No. Madam Philo, I'm begging you in the name of God. Whatever it is that you know, just keep it to yourself. You don't need to shout. Please, I'm begging you.
So I am now madam.
You are.
So you know how to respect somebody.
I know. I was not well. Madam Philo, please.
Leave me!
Hey! Philo, please. Alfred, I don't understand what you're doing. Why is your number not going through? Why is it not going through? 3 days now, you've not been home. Where did you even go to? Wait. Could it be that Cliff told him? This is not the end of my marriage. This is not going to be the end of my marriage. Alfred, you're not going anywhere. You're not going to do this to me. Cliff, I'm begging you.
Mom.
Okay.
Mom, where is Dad?
Mom. Yes, your dad traveled.
This is 3 days now and Dad has not come to this house. Where has he gone to?
Your daddy traveled.
He traveled?
Yes, I told you before he traveled.
Without telling anyone? Dad cannot do this kind of thing like that.
No, the thing is, you see, the exact day your daddy traveled, that was 3 days ago, right? He called me on phone and he said it was an emergency. Oh, I should tell his lovely children that he was traveling and he needed to really attend the meeting.
Dad traveled on an emergency?
Yes, he did.
Then why are you crying?
Okay. You know, those things that, you know, like just something, I don't know if you can see it here. I've been trying to check if you can. Can you see? I've been trying to remove it and it's not really working, yeah?
Why are you lying? Why can't you just open up to us and tell us?
That daddy traveled. That's what I'm saying. He traveled to China.
Dad has not traveled to China before.
Maybe there is always a first time.
It's all a lie.
No!
Yes!
No!
You're lying! You're lying! Tell us the truth. Tell us the truth or...
No, there will be no or, okay? The thing is, Daddy traveled to China. It was on an emergency and he actually informed me to tell you. Now again, I'm not crying. It's just this.
If that comes, we're going to ask him all of this.
Yes. No problem, but I remember. Did you check your wardrobe? Did you? You didn't. No, right? Go upstairs and check. I left something for the both of you. In fact, it's from Daddy.
Okay.
It's from Daddy, okay. It's from me. Alfred, please. Please, Alfred.
So, babe.
Yes, my love. Hope you're good, right?
Fine.
We're almost there.
Yeah.
Anything for you, right? That would be so fantastic.
Babe, don't worry. I'm going to hurry up.
Please don't waste them, okay? Love you.
Why is your number not going through, please, eh? Why is your number not going through? I wonder why he's calling me. Why is he even calling himself?
Today is 4 days. You have 3 more days to return what is rightfully mine to me. My children.
Cliff, listen to me. Listen to me. Listen and listen to me. You think you can take my kids away from me? Listen, you have another thing coming. You have another thing coming, let me tell you.
Lola, why are you being so ungrateful? Huh? You practically begged me, pressured me to make love to you, which I did. I satisfied your sexual cravings. I gave it to you the exact way you wanted it. Now all I am asking is, return my children.
Can you just stop this madness already? Can you just quit this madness already?
Lola, you are trying to piss me off. You are trying to piss me off. Can't you remember? We did this everywhere. In the office, my office, your office, just anywhere, public toilets. Because we needed no spots. And that is because I know your G-spot. Now I am asking you to give me the fruit of my labor. And you are dragging with me. Don't push me to the wall. You hear me? Lola, return my children, and I will let you and Alfred be. That's all. This is all I want. My kids. Please, this will be the last time that I'll be so lenient with you. Talk to you later.
Alfred now, eh?
Oh, baby. You got it right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. So let's be heading.
Thank you. So
what, my love?
are you good, right?
I am good, baby.
My baby.
My darling.
My earring is off.
Oh, so sorry.
Thank you.
I think that's one I got from Paris, right?
Yeah. Babe, thank you for everything.
You are always welcome. Any single thing for you. So we're next shopping?
Yeah.
Anything for you. I will definitely do that.
Okay. And babe, you told me to prepare something. Your favorite.
Of course.
So we're going to get everything. Babe,
Yes, darling.
I have a question to ask.
What is it? Go ahead.
Babe, why haven't you make up with me yet?
Come on, babe. Listen, I haven't done that to you because I love you and I am preserving your virginity until our wedding night. It's a special gift for me, don't you know?
Hey,
Yes.
I don't understand your trans. Huh? Or maybe you don't find me attractive.
Come on.
I'm a human now, eh? No touching, no romance. Or maybe you have somebody else out there that satisfies your urge.
Look, why are you sounding this way? Of course you know you are attractive. I find you very attractive. This decision, or rather my suggestion, is for our own good. It's out of the respect I have for you, my love. Nothing more, you know?
I'm a human.
My love. Are you suggesting that I am cheating on you? Is that how you see me?
I'm not saying that, but at least you're a man and you should know now. Okay, till when? Huh?
I said, our wedding night.
Okay, fine. That will make you happy, fine.
Look, you're very special to me. Come on, you are an angel to me, okay?
Are you sure?
Of course I am.
Mm-hmm.
Of course I am. Very sure of that.
Kiss. To convince me, kiss.
I'm driving.
Babe, you're so sweet.
You too.
I'm asking you. You're not answering my question. Come, where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going? I don't understand. What kind of rhetorical question is that? I'm here to see my husband. Your husband? Yes.
Which husband? The one you almost killed yourself? Huh?
What are you saying? Alfred has not been home in 4 days. So I need some answers from him. So get out. You have no shame left in you. Okay, let me break it down to you since you're acting so clueless. Your marriage with Alfred has ended. Are you the one that ended my marriage? Are you? Oh, you don't know it has ended, right? Well, you're not going anywhere. Just get out. Please get out. I want to see my husband. I said out of this place! Go away! Where do you think you're going? Huh? Alfred is trying to mend up the broken pieces which you destroyed. So just get out. You see, I don't blame you. I don't at all. Alfred in there is the person I blame 100%. Because you see this exchange of words, it would not be happening if Alfred hadn't gotten pants down with you. Please get out of the way. Let me see my husband. Are you done, yes or no? Please, if you're done, shut the door behind you because you're not seeing him. He doesn't want to see you. Really? Yeah, really, really. Get out of the way!
The food is ready and is served. You need to eat something.
Fine, food is not my problem now.
How can you be saying this again? Huh? For days you've been refusing to eat. Take a look at yourself. You're a shadow of yourself now. You need to eat something. I've advised that you go home and settle things with your wife, but you've bluntly refused it.
See, I've been thinking, Cliff said I'm stereo. So if I'm stereo, that means my girls are not actually my girls, as I'm not their father. You see, I've been thinking. This whole thing is not adding up. Cleve said I'm stereo. That I'm not a biological father of my girls. And that leaves me wondering if I'm actually stereo. How come I'm responsible for your pregnancy? How come?
Babe, one thing I know for sure is that I'm carrying your baby. I'm pregnant for you. Of course, you know me too well to lie to you. Listen up. Your wife is a cheating wife. She's the one that... Remember I told you then that you're not a biological father to your children. But you doubted me. Babe, just... If you need to know, just do a paternity test, okay? Instead of running around. You don't solve your problems by shying away from them. No. Just take the bull by the horn. Right?
What are you actually saying? I want to understand what you're saying. What are you telling me right now, security man?
I just told you that your husband came here to carry your children a moment ago.
What is a moment ago? You're speaking English, oh? It's English that you're speaking. I brought my children to school personally. You saw me. So why will you hand them over to another person to take them?
Sorry, it's not Mr. Alfred. He came here to pick their children.
What are you saying? What do you mean? Is it not their father? Did you not see me? Was I not the one who brought them to school? Why will you allow somebody else to take them? If anything happens to my children, I'll hold you responsible.
Ma, please just calm down. Leave. I have something to do.
What do you mean you have... I'm ranting?
Yes.
Did you just say I'm ranting? I'm ranting!
Please just get your hands off me.
What did you say? Say I brought my children to school and you let them go. You allowed another person to take them. What do you even mean? Please, everybody should hear me. If anything happens to my children, this school is responsible because I brought my children. Jesus Christ.
Hey, hi, how are you?
We're fine.
Okay.
Mom, Dad is back from China. Came to pick us up from school today.
Dad is back?
Yes.
Oh, is he home?
No. He went out. So he said he's going to be right back in the evening.
Oh, okay. That's fine.
Dad drove us to the hospital where a doctor took our blood sample.
What?
Is there a problem?
No problem, no issues. Have you guys eaten?
Yes, Mom.
Hey Chica! Hey Chica!
Please. Did you in any way? In fact, was it my husband that brought these kids back from school?
Madam, I don't know. But when I open gate, so I see them. I can't ask me about. She said, "Nah, their daddy, I ain't drop them for gate." Madam, I hope no problem.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Get up, please. You said you've eaten, right? Have you eaten?
Yes.
Why are you looking? I'm fine, okay? Come on. Let's go inside.
Oh my goodness. Baby, you have to calm down. You really have to calm down.
Bella has shut up. I've lost it all.
Please pull yourself together, right?
Put myself together. Did you say put myself together? That Lola has been cheating on me with my best friend.
Oh, God.
I am not even the biological father of my children.
Oh my God. This is despicable. This is unmatchable. I'm really sorry, alright? Everything will be okay. You need to calm down. Please.
Get ready. We have to go run a pregnancy test. Right now.
What?
Yes, get ready now. Get ready, let's go.
Now?
Right now.
Okay.
Oh my God, my tummy.
Like, are you being serious? So this is all your plan? Eh? This is all your plan to duke me up 30 million naira for a fake pregnancy?
At least I'm not like your cheating wife, Alfred.
Oh, shut up. You women are the same.
Listen, I'm not even here to banter words with you. You must surely give me that 30 million naira. You cannot take the woman in me, suck me dry, and leave me. No,
but my friend,
you will give
down.
me that money.
You know that you have gained so much from me. This car you're driving, I bought it for you. I've done a whole lot for you. If you want money, you tell me of money, not to use pregnancy to try to siphon money from me.
Alfred, I only said you should set me up.
What nonsense?
Let me start a new life somewhere. Give me
nonsense?
the money.
Why would you be calling that?
Okay.
Why would you be calling that?
All
my friend,
right.
take me to your house to pick up my belongings, Samana.
You must give me that money. In fact, I quit. I'm no longer working for you. I'm done with your lousy company.
My friend, take me to your house.
I'm done. I'm done with your lousy.
Yes, I said it. I said it. Look, Alfred, I was on my own. Do you understand? I never went to seduce you. Your wife came to seduce me. And I fell for it. Your loosed wife. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. See, no. If you insult me one more time, Alfred, if you insult me one more time, I will deal with you. Your wife is loose. It is because you are a fool. Stupid, foolish, impotent man who can impregnate a woman. Yes, I said it. I said it. Look, your wife sees you as a fool as you are. That was why she fooled you into marrying her. Listen, let me tell you the story. She was not a virgin when you got married to her. She tricked you. Okay, the blood stains you saw on your bed was when after you both made love and you fell asleep and she thought that it is just like a prop. It is a prop. Yes, because you are foolish. If you say one more thing, what are you not talking about? Look, I have just one thing to tell you. I am coming there. I am coming to your house to take my children. You cannot impregnate a woman. The children are mine. I am coming for them. Yes, I said it. Try me. These are my kids. Try me. You will see.
Madam, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
There is one man that is looking for you outside. The man did here with me.
He did here with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you now giving me an option to say yes or no? Because you don't know if I want to see anybody. Is that not true?
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Good day, Madam Lola. My name is Barrister Johnson. This is for you. You can have it. Your husband, my client, Mr. Alfred Lucas, just filed a divorce suit against you for cheating on him and also for fathering your daughters from one Mr. Clifford Ume. Make sure you sign them and move out of this house. Having said that, I beg to take my leave.
Yeah. When did the water fall off the cliff? We are together but far away. How did we get here? It's breaking us apart. I'm sleeping away. You sleep.
What's wrong with you? What is the problem? Stop now! Leave my kids alone! What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you, please? Mama, okay. What is wrong?
They are my blood! Don't you know? They belong to me!
Cliff! Cliff! These children are my children. What is wrong with you? I have begged you. Leave these kids alone. They are mine. Cliff, stop now! What's wrong with you?
Let me tell you, I will deal with you. I won't even call police for you. I will kill you by myself.
Mama?
Watch and see.
Mama?
I said watch and see. If you don't leave my grandchildren for me. Oh.
Mama, you want to kill me for what is rightfully mine? Mama, will you leave me alone? Bring this kid.
What's your beef? Mama, I said I will kill you. I am ready to kill you and nothing will happen. I have the money to cover the case up. I'll buy you right here.
What is he saying?
What is he saying? There's nothing he's saying. He's not saying anything.
It's not true. You are my granddaughters.
Is it true that Uncle Cliff is my father?
Uncle Cliff
Yes,
is not
I am. Listen to me.
Uncle Cliff
I am your father. I am your biological father. Mama, I cannot believe you are the one misguiding all these children when you know fully well that I respect you so much. Alfred has done the DNA test concerning these children and they are not his, which means they are mine. I want my children back. What belongs to me?
They are not your children.
I thought you are a boy, son of brain. Now I know. I want to hear you nobody see. I'm asking you, are you not from Igbo tribe? Let me tell God, ask your father. We paid for her bride price. Whatever thing you do, that is your business.
Mama.
Okay, you have gone to carry them.
Mama.
Oh, yeah,
Mama, a bride price does not
touch them
impregnate a woman. They are mine.
Please.
And I am here for my children.
Please, I'm begging
What's
you.
your problem?
I'm begging you now.
Leave it to touch my
Mama, no,
grandchildren.
let me tell you. Please. I don't have a husband anymore. Now the only thing that makes sense to me is these children and you want to take them away from
now
me.
What are you talking about?
I'm saying that don't take them.
You begged me to impregnate you for these children, to father your own children. I did. That was the part of the bargain. Now I am back to get to this fight. Can
Okay.
Can I get my children back?
Get out, I said. Get out. Get out.
Mama,
get out.
I am here for my children. Mama.
I said,
Mama, I am.
Get out.
I am here for my children. Can I get my children?
Hey, God, see if I'm not here, I will lose my grandchildren.
When did the water fall off the cliff? We are together but far away. How did we get here? It's breaking us apart. I'm sleeping away. You're sleeping away. Every day I'm losing you.
Don't mama me. Oh, you're still here. No, Naben Nage. You are still here. I thought I would not meet you in this house.
No, Mama, please. Mama.
Don't mama me. Pack your things right at this minute. Pack your things and get out from my son's house.
Mama, please.
No, Mama!
Okay. I'm just trying to say that I'm not the only one that cheated though. Alfred cheated. Why is nobody talking about it? Why are they centralizing like... Why is it just me?
So, now, look at you you measure right with my son now.
No.
No, you are measuring right with my son. You now push my son to go back to his ex. Akunike?
No, Mama, please.
I am not here to exchange words with you. No. Go and pack your things and get out from here.
Mama, please. I'm begging you in the name of God.
You are kneeling down for who?
Mama.
Of course, not me. You are not kneeling down for me.
I kneel down for God, Mama. But I'm just trying to kneel down for God and then tell you something. Please.
Like what?
I want to just stay here so that when Alfred comes back, I can ask him for forgiveness. That's it.
You want to stay here?
Yes, Mama.
No. You want to stay here?
Yes, Mama.
Because here is your father's home.
No.
So you want to stay here? Hey! You want to stay here and poison us,
No.
You want to poison me?
No. No, Mama. I just want to ask for forgiveness.
Have you seen it? Ifugia, ihe ọ na-ewetere na-agịga ọnụ na-alakwa na-agịga afọ. Do you see how you just trick my son to marry you?
No, Mama, but you chose me for him now. You chose me for him. Have you forgotten?
I choose you now.
No, Ma.
And you faked my son. You faked him with your mpampa virgin again, neighbor virgin. Have you seen it? Any marriage built on deceit and lies doesn't go well.
Mama,
doesn't end.
I know. Give me a
peace.
Second chance is all I'm asking for.
Mama,
second chance. Let me
it's
rewrite.
Like you don't want to live here in peace.
Mama,
you want me to scatter you before you go.
Mama, please, I'm begging you. You can't just leave me without a husband, without children. I'll be frustrated now. Please, I'm begging you. Let me just stay. I will not talk to you. You will be there. I'll be here. But let's just wait for Alfred. Once he comes back and I ask for apology, we will stay. Please, Mama. Hey.
So I am to blame now. No, I can't blame you. No, now you are so sensitive. Did you think about those things before you do what you did?
Mama, I'm sorry.
Don't touch me.
Okay, Mama.
Think about that before you perform your thing. Did you think about it?
No, Mama.
Before you did what you did you think about it?
No, I did not.
I'm even a
Okay, fine. Mama, sorry.
Mama,
no. Mama,
no, come and stay here now. This is your father's house. Look at you. Alfred, good evening, my son. She has left. On our government. You can now come back to your children. They are crying. I'm sorry, my son. I'm really sorry. You can now go to Diana now. Bring Diana in. You told me now that Diana is pregnant with your baby boy. You know I need baby boy. I need baby boy. Bring Diana in. Please. I don't want anything to happen to that baby boy in the womb. La Lulu. Is it? What? Hey! Girls of nowadays. They are just the same. We cannot see angels inside these girls of nowadays. Hey! Okay, it's good. Good for her.
Yeah. When did the water fall off the cliff? We are together but far away. How did we get here? It's breaking us apart. I'm sleeping away, you're sleeping away. Every day I'm losing you like you are losing me. Cause this journey's gone well. Every day I'm losing you like you are losing me. It's already too late. I wake up thinking of another, eating the scene like it was for me. There's no regret and no turning back. I keep wondering if I ever love.
I'm deeply sorry for everything.
Dad, is it true that Uncle Clifford is our father?
No. I am your father.
Mom left with her box. Is she coming back again?
Yes, she will. I want you girls to know that I love you so much.
Daddy, we love you too.
And I'm ready to do everything to make you people happy.
Thank you, Daddy, for being there for us. We love you, Daddy. Thank you.
Come in. Alright, let's go play some candies.
No. I can't believe what my eyes just saw. Stacy lured me into a marriage with a fake virginity story. How come someone I thought was a virgin has a very, very big hole with loose walls? Her veil point is so wide that it swallowed my big long man. No woman has ever swallowed it, but Stacy, you did. How am I even sure she hasn't given birth before? Her thing was supposed to be tight. Why is that place so... Oh. Hey. Her thighs scattered with stretch marks, as though she was struck by thunder. Are you sure I did not get married to a baby mama? Stacy. Stacy has finished me. Stacy has deceived me. I was busy preserving a borehole as a special wedding gift. Stacy, you have fooled me.
Everyone want to they do. Everyone want to they ball. Everyone want to they No one they look your face, enjoying the moment. No much calculation, blowing lies and deceit, playing dirty games. Oh, sometimes you are the game, and somebody they play you. Sometimes you they play the game, or the game they play you. Oh no no. This life, you know they balance at all. Yo go, your way, on your way.